Did you know kissing might be older than humans themselves? Right now, somewhere, two people are pressing their lips together, exchanging around 80 million bacteria in just 10 seconds. It risks disease. It offers no clear survival benefit. And you've done it too. Nobody had to convince you. Nobody taught you why. You just knew you wanted to. In 2025, researchers at Oxford traced kissing back through the primate family tree. Their conclusion was almost unbelievable. Kissing likely evolved around 21 million years ago, in the shared ancestor of humans and every great ape alive today. Chimpanzees kiss, bonobos kiss, even gorillas kiss. This was never a human invention. We simply inherited it, which raises an uncomfortable question. If kissing is that old, did Neanderthals kiss too? The evidence says yes. Scientists studying ancient dental plaque found that Neanderthals and early humans shared oral microbes, the exact kind that spread through saliva. The only realistic way to swap those microbes is mouth-to-mouth contact. Two different species of human, separated by hundreds of thousands of years of evolution, were still kissing when they met. The oldest written record of a kiss comes from Mesopotamia, on a clay tablet dated to roughly 4,500 years ago. But here is the twist almost nobody expects. Kissing is not universal. A study of 168 cultures found that only 46% practiced romantic kissing at all. In the 1800s, one French anthropologist reported that some Chinese communities found mouth-to-mouth kissing as repulsive as cannibalism. In parts of Mongolia, fathers do not kiss their sons. They smell their heads instead. So, if it isn't universal and it isn't necessary, why does it still exist at all? One leading theory says kissing lets you unconsciously sample a partner's saliva and scent, testing the genes of their immune system to judge biological compatibility. Another says it evolved from mothers passing pre-chewed food to infants, mouth to mouth. Nobody fully agrees, but the instinct clearly survived every single theory. That's why you close your eyes without deciding to. That's why a first kiss can make your heart rate spike before your brain has processed anything at all. You are not choosing this reaction. Something 21 million years old is choosing it for you. You still feel it today, in the anxious seconds before a first kiss, in the instinct to pull someone close and press your face to theirs, despite every bacterium, every risk, every bit of logic telling you not to. Logic never stood a chance against this. The apes who first pressed their lips together are long gone. The Neanderthals who kissed our ancestors goodbye are gone too. It's still sitting quietly on your lips, 21 million years old, waiting for the next person you can't help but lean toward.